In this blog, we will see the integration of image loading library Picasso, using which we will be loading different variants of images from URL and local folders. So now let us see here. We need to add the dependency here Picasso, and let's add some image views to our layout file here. So we are loading three types of images here. So one is from the local assets and the other is from URL, and here we are also loading a placeholder here you can see, and the third one, which is I am showing you if we get any error in loading an image, then how to handle. So now let us see the coding part. And also, before getting forward, try to add the internet permissions in the Android manifest file. And here you can see the first thing is here we are trying to load the image using the local assets here. So here I have added an image here, and we are trying to load that particular image using the Picasso library into our image view here. And in the same way, we can also load the image using URL. Here you can see the syntax for the both is same, just you need to change the path of the image, whether it is a local image or whether it is coming from a URL. So till here I think it's very understandable. So now let us see, when you are trying to load an image from a URL, and if you want to resize the width and the height of the image, then you can do it with the help of the Picasso image library here. So here you are having different parameters using which you can alter the image, and as we have provided the width and height as 50 and 50 here, and also the placeholder. So sometimes the image might not be loaded, so in that scenario we can load another alternative image as a placeholder. And also here you can see we have provided the scales also for the image, like center, crop, fit, xy. So all these kinds of scales are available in this particular library. And finally we are specifying the image view on which the image need to be loaded. And the third variant is, whenever you get any error in loading the image, then you can also, here we have seen a placeholder, but what the work of the placeholder is, till your image is being loaded, the placeholder will make sure to occupy that particular place and make sure it build up with the image which we have provided in the placeholder tab. So once the source is not able to load the image, and the placeholder will be replaced by the here the error placeholder. Here you can see we have also provided an image here, and that will be loaded into our image view. So now let us try to see the output once. So here you can see output for the Picasso image loading library here. So here you can see the green color image which is loaded initially was a placeholder, and later on to which the image is loaded, and you can see the image is a little bit blurred because we have resized the image here, and it is been center crop here. So the image is being cropped, and here you can see the local image from the drawable folder is loaded here in the first image view. And here you can see the error image is being loaded because we have not provided the complete URL in the path here. So this is how we implement Picasso image library, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. And if you are having any queries, or if you want to have some more additional features in this particular Picasso library, you may let me know in the description section below. I will try to help you. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Android.